Jai Hind. Welcome to Computology Academy. So today we are going to discuss about Kaladan Multimodal Project. So the Kaladan Multimodal Project was proposed much earlier. So Kaladan Multimodal Project is a transit and transport project for the northeastern states that will link the northeastern states to the mainland India through the Kolkata port and the Haldia port. So why does this Kaladan project was needed? First and the foremost thing is that the northeastern states is not well connected with the mainland India, that we will see in the further slides. So the northeastern state is underdeveloped. The development is a issue for the northeastern states. Thereafter, the economic condition of the northeastern states. So the northeastern states are not generating that much of the revenue. Their GDP is so low that they are unable to meet their yearly and annual expenses. Because of that, they have to time and again get subsidized from the central government. And to improve this condition and to improve the export of the northeastern states and to improve their economy and the livelihood condition of the northeastern people, the central government has proposed this Kaladan project. So this Kaladan project was proposed in India in 2000s, and thereafter in 2010 the work on this project had started. So let us see why does this needed. So here are seven states, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram. So you can see here these states are landlocked. None of the states touches the seaboard, and because of that what happens, there is an issue of the transport and transit. And also these states are the hilly regions, as well as the state of Assam faces the perennial condition of the floods year on year because of the Brahmaputra river, as well as this is the state which is surrounded from all the sides by the mountains, and because of that all the rivers those are flowing in this region converge in the flood plains of the Assam. And because of that there is a huge amount of the water that is get concentrated in the plains of Assam, and because of that this region faces a perennial condition of floods. So this condition can be improved because of this project. So this is the Siliguri corridor, that is this is the chicken neck, which is called the chicken neck because of its very less width. This is only 27 kilometers corridor which is connecting the mainland India to the northeast India. So this Siliguri corridor is already very congested. Here what happens, there is too much of the traffic, and because of that the railway lines and the road connectivity cannot be improved further, and to improve it further we need the alternative route. But this was not the condition before 1965. So before 1965 what was there was alternative routes through Bangladesh also, and at that very time this was not Bangladesh but this was East Pakistan. And in 1965 war, after the war with Pakistan in 1965, Pakistan closed these routes for India to transport and transit to the northeastern states, and because of that India had to concentrate on this chicken neck route only. And because of this what happened, the connectivity to the northeastern states deteriorated, and because of that not these but these routes, these states, that is this Tripura and Mizoram, these were affected the most, and because of this their development got halted. And now after this proposal of the Kaladan state, their China can also be in an accord situation. This is a region where up till this there is territory of China, and if we go for war with China in any adverse condition, China can easily cut off northeastern states from mainland India, and because of this what will happen, the flow of armory, the flow of armed personnel and other things will get halted, and because of that we may have an adverse condition in these states to face the aggression of China. Now come to the Kaladan project. So the Kaladan project is a multimodal transit and transport project which will start from Haldia Integrated Container Terminal in West Bengal, and thereafter it will traverse through the sea for 539 kilometers, and it will come to the Setwi port in Rakhine state of Myanmar, and from there it will traverse through the Kaladan river. River Kaladan is having a navigable stretch of 158 kilometers, but here it needs the dredging, and dredging is being done by Inland Waterways Authority of India, and there is also a need of lock, because throughout the river the profile of the river is not even, and there is a need to develop a lock to make the river navigable up to the Palatwe. Palatwe is in the Chin state of Myanmar, and from there will be a highway, and the highway will be up to Kalatwe. Kalatwa is at the border of Mizoram, and from there it will enter Mizoram. So project is being developed to find an alternative to this chicken neck corridor, where China can create some problem in case of any adverse effect and adversity with China. So this project is being developed to teach a lesson to China. So this was projected to be completed in 2014 and 2014, and it is not completed till 2018. Till 2018, maximum of the work, that is at the Haldia port, here at the Setwi port. Setwi port is operational from several decades, but its capacity was to handle 4,000 ton of the vessels, but it has now been improved to 2 lakh ton of the vessels through dredging and other activities that is being done by India. And thereafter, in this riverine project also, India has sent 6 barrages to Myanmar, and thereafter its capacity has also been improved to 3,000 ton of capacity to handle the barrages. And here Inland Waterways Authority of India has given this dredging project to the SR group, and it is almost complete. The only left out part is this, the Kalatwe highway, Myanmar highway, and it is being developed. The work has been on after 2018, and this work has been halted because of the Rohingyas unrest, and now it is projected to be completed by 2020-21. So this is an important project, and this is an important topic from the point of view of prelims as well as mains. So keep the facts and the figures in mind. It may be helpful in the exam. Thank you very much, and have a nice day, and do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.